friends, welcome back. It's another day and another video in our series on homeschool planners. For the entire month of August, we're going to be doing a whole month of homeschool helps, tips, and tricks. It's going to be nothing but things that have helped us get through homeschooling, get ready for homeschooling, and get excited about homeschooling. So for the first week, we're going to talk about your homeschool planner and what you can pick out that would best serve you and your family. Today, we're going to be doing a flip through of this planner. I Googled homeschool planner because I didn't know what was out there on the market. I've been using the same thing for several years, and so I wanted to see if there was something new. And innovative on the market. We'll flip through this planner, we'll talk about it, we'll see what's in it, and it may be the planner for you. And I'm hoping this series will help you find it if you haven't found it yet. So hang out, stick around, let's go to the... Today we are reviewing the Homeschool Day Planner, and this is brought to you by Classically Homeschooling.com. It's the Homeschool Planner and Homeschool and Day Planner. Got just an overview, homeschool, what it's got, what it's here, note pages, monthly calendar, weekly planning, homeschool pages, customizing, those things. You've got your 2021-2022 calendar here. Planning pages. There's no specific instruction really on how to use these. You can use these to plan your school year or quarter by listing your children across the top or the subjects down the side. Option is to assign one page per child, or you can use these to plan per subject, but they're an overview page. So we've kind of seen an overview page before. And then you've got your note pages. I will say that the lines show through from the previous page, so it's not a super thick quality paper. And so your lines show through. Let me see if I can zoom in here. So you can see the next pages, what's going to be on the next page or the outline. For some people that is very distracting. Sometimes for me it is. In my personal planner right now, because I'm having to DIY it, even though I'm using a heavy grade paper, I still have this problem because I'm using an inkjet printer. And so it is distracting for me. I can usually try to hurry up and cover it up with stickers or whatever. So if that's distracting for you, just know that this is like on standard copy paper kind of stuff. Then you've got the August 2021 monthly with some notes over here. It is a Sunday to Saturday. And the weekly is Sunday to Saturday. I think I've made it pretty clear that I'm personally am a Monday to Sunday person because I like my weekends together because we do a lot on the weekends. And honestly, that's just my personal preference. Everyone is different. Some people like to start their week on Sunday. Some people like to end it. For planning purposes, for me, it is easier to have a Monday to Sunday. Again, personal preference. But you've got your weekly planner here, like your personal weekly planner. Then you've got your homeschool plans. So these... It's not gridded per se. I have this one fly. I apologize. It's not gridded per se, but you could do this by subject, by child, however you choose to. It's definitely interesting. I would have to go back and put lines, otherwise things would bleed into one another, and I don't really like that. And then you're back to your weekly personal view, and then your homeschool plans view. Why this wouldn't work for some people. I would not personally, if I lived in a state where I had to turn in my homeschool planning or something like that, or I could possibly be investigated for homeschool neglect or anything like that, I would not want my personal business in the midst of my homeschool business. They are two totally separate entities and two totally separate things, and for privacy reasons, I would not want those together. That's the only thing I can see about this format that bothers me, is I would not want all of that together. So at the end of the month, you've got notes. Yep, you're to notes, and then you're to your monthly view again. And then back into your weekly homeschool plans. And that's pretty much the nuts and bolts of that. Oh no, it's just the regular 4 pages at the end. So, again, it's a decent planner. I think it's a small company, but it comes highly reviewed. Lots of people really like it. What works for me in this? I like the planning pages. I like having lots of extra places for notes. I like the 2-page month. That I always like lots of space in my monthly. What it personally is not great for me is the Sunday to Saturday week. I am a Monday to Sunday person, and I would like it to be on a little bit heavier quality paper so that my ink doesn't bleed through, because I'm a heavy writer and I use a 0.7 ink flow. And I would need more lines, personally. And that's why I haven't fully decided what planner I'm going to use for my homeschool year this year, to be very honest with you. But all that being said, this is one of the top 5 homeschool planners when you Google. So it's by Classically Homeschooling. I think it's a very small print company, but I mean, check it out. If it's something that you feel like would help you, I'm glad you finally got to see it kind of flipped through. And let me know in the comments what you think. What works for you in this planner and what doesn't. Like I said, this is a part of a series where I Googled the top 5 homeschool planners and purchased them to do a flip through so that you could see them and you wouldn't have to buy them and check them out before you were ready. If there's anything else you'd like to see, put it in the comments. Let me know. I'd love to do more homeschool flip throughs and more homeschool planner flip throughs and in-depth reviews, and just see kind of what we think. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. It was a short, quick review video. I'm Amanda with Schultz Shenanigans and Planning the Shenanigans. And like we say, everyone's asked us for years and years how we do it all, and here's where we're finally showing you how. Have a fantastic and blessed day, and we will see you with the next review.